Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, if you remember yesterday, we referenced and alluded to someone who was in a hospital and they had been burnt up. This is that case. It's the case of little Ahmed here. Little Ahmed has been burnt. His mother was cooking and, scalding water, boiling hot water fell on him, burnt his head and burnt his upper torso. Burns that are second degree, but they're deep, right on the borderline of 3-degree burns. This is his father, Abu Ahmed, Ahmed. These are the rest of the children. He has a kid over there and a kid over here, and both of them are twins. That's the grandmother over there holding Uday. And here, under the mother's care, is Luwait, 2 babies. All together in this place, there are 10 people that this man is responsible for, Sheikh Atiya Musa. Now, this boy stayed in the hospital for 10 days. He would have still been in the hospital. They wanted him to be in the hospital, but they don't have the money to pay for the necessary medical attention. So they say, you have to go. You have to go. He has to get $300 a day for some time in order to address his issue, skin graft and the care and all of that. We're asking you to come forward, inshallah, to help our little nephew, help our little brother, 250 pounds, or whatever you can give, even more than that. May Allah give you guys prosperity, and may Allah Ta'ala give you guys khair, and may Allah help this family. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.